Hey, what's up, guys? This is Mr. Adams. Uh, I'm in a meeting too, so might have to stop right away. And it's hard to talk while listening, but I can do it. All right. So this is for the Totes at Homes people. So you guys are going to make a box, and you're going to, while making a box is easy. Okay, obviously, boom, I just made it. There we go. We're gonna laser cut a box. Okay, and then I'll actually laser cut it out for you, and hopefully we'll be able to get it to you sometime. Okay. Now, to make a box or to make stuff to laser cut, we're going to use SVG. All right. So we're not going to use STL. We'll use SVG. And then we have to make everything flat. So you can't use like a sphere. Okay. Sphere's out. Boom. No good. Okay. That's no good. But we're going to make we're going to use this, and we're going to make it 3 millimeters. Okay. So this essentially we could laser cut out a square, easy peasy. And I have laser cut out squares, easy peasy. All right. We've already used Tinkercad once, so we know that if we click these boxes, we can make different sizes. Easy. Let's go ahead and make it, I don't know, 300 centimeters, 30. That's about a foot. So let's not do that. But you can make it, I don't know, 150. I shouldn't have deleted that all the way. All right. Okay, so now, if we make a box, all right, and we do this, we can make a box that's 100. Maybe we should just make it 100. I don't know. If we make a box that's 100 by 100, right? Okay, obviously that's one side. I could make a cube that's 100 with all of them, and I need to lay it out flat. Okay, so if you've been in geometry, this is called a net. If you're not in geometry, it's still called a net, and then you'll learn that next year. Okay, and now that I made this, do not make it 100 by 100 because that's pretty big. All right, so now, whoops. Okay, so I've laid out this net. No, this is kind of hard. Let's see. It's a little bit easier with touchscreen. I don't know quite how to do without touchscreen. Hopefully you guys have all found mouses. Okay, so this is a net. All right. Okay. Now, if I laser cut this out, it will make a box, and I have to glue the sides. What I want you to do is I want you to make a box, but I want you to make what's called, I don't remember what it's called, but I want to make you little tabs so when they fit it together, they'll fit. So you need to take another box, okay, and you need to put a gap in here, right? And then Control D. Control D. And then put another one in exactly across over here. Okay, and actually Control D again here because we'll do another one. Put this right here, like this. Okay. All right. And then when I link them together, boop, you see how these two are going to fit now? Oops. So now there's some work that we have to do to make these fit all the way. Okay. And then I'm kind of torn about how much to tell you guys because I want you to kind of figure that out. So here's what I want you to do, because you don't want to do this 6 times. So what you are going to actually do is start with two sides. Okay? Make them a little skinnier. You're going to make these teeth. All right? And then you're going to make the teeth, and you're going to work hard and not don't glue them together. All right? So we can go over here, zoom. All right? So you're going to work on making teeth that fit, and you want the teeth to be 3 millimeters deep, okay? Because then when I put it together, the two teeth will fit. All right, so I'm making the teeth. Once you make the teeth with two, All right, so we can be up. And pull over there. All right, so I'm gonna make my teeth. Control D. Actually, you know what we can even do? We can make this even easier. Control Z, because we can use the mirror function, so we don't even have to make one of these. Okay. So I got this. Control D. Okay, and you want to make the gap between them the same size as the square. Okay, so you make the gap between the square, and then here we're gonna do this because I'm just gonna show you real quick. This is not perfect, and so you're gonna have to do a lot of this yourself. Okay, so I have made a side of a square, right? Okay, I can copy this side, Control D, and I can mirror it. Boom. Okay, we want to mirror it this way, and then if I rotate it 180 degrees, now these shoot. Okay, now these two pieces should fit on top of each other. Boom. See how perfect that fits? Okay, it doesn't quite fit perfect. You know what? To be honest, I guess maybe you don't need to mirror it. I think there's some things that you need to think about. But so I want to make it so you mirror it and these two pieces fit. Okay? So you're going to make these two grooves. You're going to make it so these two fit. Then you can copy them and you can put them on as many squares as you want. Okay? So hopefully that makes sense. So then I take my cube here. Okay? Always 3 millimeters. Oh, hold on. I'm going to pause this guy. All right, I'm back. We'll see if I get my name mentioned. I think I'm going to be done here in a sec. So then you can, oh, okay, hold on. All right, so then I can group these two together. And now I have a side of my square. Okay, so there's a lot of kind of math you got to think about. You got to think about how things are going to fit together and that kind of stuff. But just do two little strips first, and then two sides, and then add to those sides, and then going on from there. Okay, so you're going to make 6-sided box, and then I'll laser cut it out to you. Oh, wait. And then last, you can put your name on it. You can cut your name out. So I can make atoms. I can make this a hole. I can put it on the side. Okay, hold on. Okay. I don't know if they said my name or not. So then I can put that in there. And then when we laser cut it out, that A is not going to work all that great. So you can either, and then group those together. And now it's a hole. So the A and the D and the A is not going to work all that great. So we'd have to figure something out on that. But anyway, it's still kind of fun. So you don't have to put your name on it if you don't want. Okay, so you're hand making the tabs. You're going to make sure they fit. Mine don't. Okay. And you're just going to do that first. And after that, you're going to group them together. Okay. Remember, I want 3 millimeters thick and I want the tabs of 3 millimeters. All right. Okay. All right.